Hello everyone, Professor Marcelo here. I would like to share an important tip for your one sample t-test. Every time that you are using this hypothesis test, I strongly recommend that you consider this tip that I'll be presenting here, okay? Especially if your audience is not very much into stats, right? I am using the very same example that you can find on Minitab help. By the way, Minitab help is extremely powerful, extremely rich, yeah? You definitely want to take a look. So I have energy cost, sample size is equal to 25, and I do have a baseline from previous year that is $200, okay? And I want to check if the projected population mean is different from this baseline $200. So I would just come here, basic statistics, one sample t, then energy cost, and here 200. So I see that p-value is less than 0.05. Yeah, so I have a strong argument, evidence to reject the null hypothesis. So I can argue that the population mean is different from 200, yes? And my recommendation here is Control E, graph. You can use histogram, individual value plot, or box plot depending on your sample size. I like very much individual value plot. Okay, and okay again. So see, you have all the data points here in gray, yeah, but you have also the sample mean with a confidence interval, yeah, and take a look, your hypothesized mean, that is your baseline, right, from previous year, $200. So this picture here, again, depending on your audience, can be a game changer. You know, I had many situations where I was presenting, simply the result of a hypothesis test, and the audience was lost, and simply using individual value plot with the indication of the confidence interval, and also clearly the fact that our baseline is not part of the confidence interval and it converges with the fact that p-value is low. It was so helpful, so helpful. So I strongly recommend that you consider using some graphical tool to help you to message your conclusion to your audience. Okay? Thank you so much.